Welcome to Learners Area. Today we see about NDT, radiographic testing, measurements and units. Last class we have seen about radiographic testing source. Okay, isotope, X-rays and all. We have seen that. Today we see about radiographic testing measurements and units. Let's go. Measurement of radiation. Intensity, an amount of energy passing through a given area. That is intensity. Okay, intensity is an amount of energy passing through a given area. Second one is exposure. Exposure or ionization dose. This means amount of ionization in air produced by radiation. Okay, amount of ionization in air produced by radiation is exposure. And another definition is the quantity of ionization rays that produces 2083 million ion pairs in 1 cubic centimeter of air at standard pressure and standard temperature. Once again, the quantity of ionization rays that produces, the quantity of ionization rays that produces 2083 million ion pairs in 1 cubic centimeter of air at standard pressure and temperature. That is exposure or ionization dose. Its SI unit name is coulomb and unit is coulombs per kilogram. Area unit name is Roentgen and unit is Roentgen, that is R, 1 R. So R 1 Roentgen is equal to, the value is 2.58 into 10 to the power of minus 4 coulomb per kilogram. So radiation intensity is Roentgen. So 1 Roentgen is equal to 1000 milli Roentgen. Okay, so milli Roentgen MR, milli Roentgen. So 1 milli Roentgen is equal to 0.001 Roentgen or 1 divided by 1000 Roentgen. Radioactivity means that is emission of ionizing radiation. Okay, so radioactivity of an isotope is equal to radioactivity per number of disintegrations per second. Say radioactivity, another name is what? Strength of isotope. Okay, SI unit name is becquerel and unit is number of disintegrations of atom per second. Yearly unit is Curie and unit name is Curie and 1 Curie is equal to 37 gigabecquerel. 1 Curie is equal to 37 gigabecquerel or 3.7 into 10 to the power of 10 disintegrate of atom per second. So here also radioactivity of an isotope is radioactivity per number of disintegration of atom per second. Okay. So disintegration per second is the number of subatomic particles, that is alpha particles or gamma rays. So disintegration per second is number of alpha particles or gamma rays released from the nucleus of a given atom over 1 second. That is a disintegration per second. So disintegration per second is the number of subatomic particles released from the nucleus of a given atom over 1 second. 1 dps, that is disintegration per second, is equal to 1 becquerel. So standard dose rate or Roentgen per hour per meter, that is RHM value, Roentgen per hour per meter value, RHM at 1 Curie of cobalt 60. For an example, 2 isotopes we have seen. So cobalt 60 is the mass number. So RHM at 1 Curie of cobalt 60 is equal to 1300 mR per hour. Otherwise, that is equal to 1.3 Roentgen per hour. So Roentgen, that is Roentgen per hour per meter at 1 Curie of cobalt 60 is 1.3 Roentgen per hour. RHM at 1 Curie of iridium 192 is 500 mR per hour is equal to 0.5 Roentgen per hour. So now see about specific activity. How much number of Curies per gram? That is a specific activity. Okay, specific activity is how much number of Curies per gram of an isotope. Okay, so it measures the radioactivity of a unit weight of substance. It measures the radioactivity of a unit weight of substance. Unit is curies per gram, otherwise becquerels per gram. So becquerels per gram is a SI unit. So specificity is for find out the mass, because why it's find out the mass means the mass size is small means the source small. Okay, so source small means the image, radiographic image will be achieved sharp in radiographic film. Okay, the sharp image will be achieved in radiographic film. That's why we have to find out the mass. Radiation absorbed dose. What is that? Is RAD. Definition is the radiation energy absorbed is expressed in joules per kilogram. It is a measure of the amount of energy deposited in tissue. Okay, it is a measure of the amount of energy deposited in tissue. So SI unit name is Gray and unit is joules per kilogram. Yearly unit name is RAD. RAD. Okay, and unit is RAD. RAD means radiation absorbed dose. So 1 Gray is equal to 100 rad. 1 rad is equal to 100 ergon per gram is equal to joules per kilogram or is equal to 0.01 Gray. 1 joules is this much of ergs. That is ergs means it's a short for ergon. So erg is a measurement unit of energy and mechanical work used in physics, and it's centimeter gram science system of units. Equivalent absorbed dose or man dose. What is it? Means the biological effect of ionization radiation upon man. Okay, so the biological effect of ionization radiation upon man. Okay, this is equivalent absorbed dose or man dose. Biological effect of ionization radiation upon man. So in this, the absorbed dose multiplied by quality factor. So equivalent absorbed dose is equal to absorbed dose multiplied by quality factor. Okay, equivalent absorbed dose or man dose is equal to radiation absorbed dose have to be multiplied with the quality factor. The quality factor means what? Radiation absorbed dose we have known. Last page we have seen that. So quality factor means it is multiplied by radiation absorbed dose for obtaining a quantity. Quality factor is multiplied by radiation absorbed dose, that is RAD, for obtaining a quantity that expressed on a common scale for all ionization radiation. Okay, the quality factor is multiplied by RAD for obtain a quantity that expressed on a common scale for all ionization radiation. So man dose value finally received. So man dose is equal to RAD into quality factor. So the man dose value, how will we get? Observed dose into quality factor. So and it's so after that the man dose, after the value received, it shows or it gives how much biological damage to the exposed tissue. Okay, so man dose value is shows how much biological damage to the exposed tissue. See the quality factor values. So man dose is equal to RAD, that is radiation absorbed dose, into quality factor. The quality factor value is changing here. See, varies. Alpha particles means 20 quality factor. Fast neutrons means 20 quality factor. Thermal neutrons means 5 quality factor. X-rays or beta particles or gamma rays means 1 quality factor. So alpha particles are more biological damage to tissue, living tissue than other types of radiation. That's why the quality factor is, we have to take the values. So 20, 25, 1, the variation is mentioned here, no. So alpha particles are more biological damage. That's why how much the alpha particles, if exposed to, that is damage to exposed to tissue means how much? 20. So the man dose is the man dose, that is equivalent absorbed dose, is equal to absorbed dose into quality factor. So how much radiation absorbed dose observed into we have to multiply. If alpha particles means 20, if fast neutrons means 20, if X-rays means 1. Okay, so alpha particles are more biological damage to living tissue other than types of the fast neutrons, thermal neutrons, X-rays like that at all. So it provides a relative biological effect, that is RBE, of ionization radiation. The quality factor provides the relative biological effect, that is it provides that equivalent observed dose or man dose provides the relative biological effect of the ionization radiation. So man dose or equivalent observed dose, SI unit name is sievert and unit is joules per kilogram. Earlier unit name is rem and its unit is rem. REM means Roentgen equivalent man. So 1 rem is equal to rad into quality factor is equal to 0.01 sievert. 1 sievert is equal to 100 rem. If X-rays and gamma radiation, the quality factor is 1, no. So here sievert is equal to gray. How means if sievert is equal to gray means, see, radiation observed dose unit is gray and equivalent observed dose SI unit is sievert. Okay, radiation observed dose SI unit is gray and equivalent observed dose SI unit is sievert. So equivalent observed dose is equal to radiation observed dose into quality factor. If quality factor is 1 means X-rays or gamma rays exposed in tissue. So quality factor is 1, no. So we have to multiply into 1, radiation observed dose into 1. So the equivalent observed dose is equal to radiation observed dose only. So radiation observed dose SI unit is sievert and radiation observed dose SI unit is gray. So sievert is equal to gray, no. So that's the answer. Sievert is equal to gray. When X-rays and gamma rays, the quality factor is 1 means the sievert is equal to gray. Here I may mention some of the things. See, international system of units, that is SI units only, international system of units, SI. Okay, international system of units. Activity, that is becquerel. Okay, unit is 1 per second, 1 disintegration per second. So yearly unit is Curie. So Curie value is 3.7 into 10 to the power of 10 becquerel. Here 1 becquerel is equal to 2.7 into 10 to the power of minus 11. Okay, 2.7 into 10 to the power of 11 Curie. Okay, 1 becquerel is equal to 2.7 into 10 to the power of 11 minus 10 to the power of minus 11 Curie. Exposure or ionization dose, Coulomb, unit is Coulomb per kilogram. So 1 Coulomb per kilogram value is 3.88 into 10 to the power of 3 Roentgen. And yearly unit Roentgen is unit R. 1 Roentgen is equal to 2.58 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Coulomb per kilogram. And radiation observed dose, gray, unit is joule per kilogram, that is the SI unit, and 1 gray is equal to 100 rad. So here yearly unit rad, unit is rad, 1 rad is equal to 0.01 gray. And equivalent observed dose or man dose. So international system of units or SI units, sievert, unit is joule per kilogram, 1 sievert is equal to 100 rem, and yearly unit name is rem, unit is rem, 1 rem is equal to 0.01 sievert. See, 1 Curie is equal to radioactivity. Okay, so 337 gigabecquerel or 3.7 into 10 to the power of 10 disintegrate of atom per second. 1 becquerel is equal to 1 disintegration of atom per second. So 1 gigabecquerel is equal to 0.027 Curie. 1 microsievert per hour is equal to this much value, 0.1 mR per hour is equal to 100 mR per hour. So 1 rad is equal to 0.01 gray, like that, please note it. 1 Roentgen per hour, how much value? 0.00027 rad per second. Please pause and note it, this one. Okay. And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. This will be helpful in radiographic calculations and all. 1 meter. Already you know this one, but no problem. Please note it once again. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That is 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1.0936 yards. Okay. So example and all I given. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter or 0.3937 inches or 0.032808 foot. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 10 meter is equal to how much centimeter? So multiply 10 into 1 meter is equal to 10 into 100. Okay, 10 into 1 and 10 into 100. So answer is 10 meter is equal to 1000 centimeters. So 1 gram is 1000 milligram, 1 ton is 1000 kilograms, like that and all. 1 millimeter is equal to 1000 microns and all. So 1 inch is equal to 1000 tau, 0.5 inch is equal to 500 tau. Tau is 1000. This is used with this tau value is used in pentameter, that is image quality indicator. That is, I will say this explanation in further videos. Okay, I will be upload soon. So 40,000 is equal to 1 meter and all. Kilo means kilo, 1000. Mega means this much value, and milli means, okay, 1 divided by 1000. Micro means 0.000001, and pico means this much value. Tera means this much value. Okay, thank you friends. Hope you understand this well. Friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video means please subscribe and click bell icon for more videos. Hit the like button and share to your friends. Thank you friends.